going to talk about the words many, much, a few, and a little. These are words that mean a lot for many and much, or some for a few and a little. Let's look at some example sentences to learn about the differences in the grammar. Our first sentence is, I don't eat many apples, and I don't eat much fruit. We use the words many and much in negative sentences and in questions. If you want to use the same idea in an affirmative or a yes sentence, we usually use the phrase a lot. So let's look at the differences between these two sentences. We use many and much in these negative sentences. We used many in this sentence because apples is a plural count noun. We used much in this sentence because fruit is a non-count noun. We use many with plural count nouns and much with non-count nouns. Again, we usually use them in negative sentences and questions. Now let's look at our next two example sentences. I have a few chairs and I have a little furniture. When we use this phrase with a few and a little, it means some. So I have a few chairs, maybe 3 or 4 chairs. And I have a little furniture means some, not a lot, but some. And very similar to this one, we have a few with our plural count nouns and a little with our non-count nouns. We can use a few and a little in affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and in questions. The sentence becomes a little bit different if we delete a. I have few chairs means not very many. Or I have little furniture means not a lot.